This is the engine oil drain plug. By removing this engine drain plug, we can drain out total engine oil. Engine oil filter is nearby dipstick. We can find out the engine oil filter, and with the 27 mm socket, we can remove the engine oil filter cap. Engine oil filter is coming along with one O-ring and a brass washer. Brass washer is for using at a drain plug, and O-ring is for inserting on the oil filter cap. By pulling out, after removing the cap, we can pull out the oil filter. This is Bmw 320D oil I have used, fully synthetic. This is the new oil filter. Oil filter, we can see some locking arrangement. This is coming along with one gasket and a brass washer. That O-ring can be inserted on the oil filter cap in the prescribed slot. You have to insert in that and apply a little new oil for lubrication. This will avoid leaking of oil from oil cap. Then replacing of oil filter can be done by inserting the new oil filter along with the cap and find out the locking engagement. Once it engages, then we can give a push. It will get locked inside, and then tight the filter cap to the required level so that oil leakage is not happening on oil cap. This completes oil filter changing. After that, required amount of tightness, you can keep it and leave. Now we'll go ahead with fuel filter replacement. For fuel filter replacement, I have lifted the vehicle in one side. Then below, some plastic cover is available with the 10 mm screws and 12 mm plastic nuts. By removing these 10 mm screws and plastic nut, we can remove the plastic cover. Below that, we can find the fuel filter. Fuel filter is fixed with one plastic clamp. Fuel filters, both sides are locked with one side with metal lock, the other side with the plastic. By removing that, we can remove the fuel filter and take out. On fuel filter, you can find one rubber washer type arrangement that you have to take out from the old one and put it on the new, and that portion we have to set with the fixing clamp. After inserting the connectors, we can switch on the ignition and see whether any leakage is there. After confirmation,